Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back again to my channel. Today, I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian Ebunabunu soup or green soup. This soup is very healthy and good for your soul as well. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Effia. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. Alright, so since I'm making green soup, all the vegetables that I'll be using in this soup should be almost green. Alright, so this is turkey berries or ambeju. It's very healthy and just perfect for the soup as well. So moving forward, I'm also going to be using green pepper or pakoshito instead of the red ones. Alright, next I'll be going in with some fresh tomatoes. Since I don't have green tomatoes, that is what I'm going to be using, and some onion as well. And the most important ingredients for this recipe is cocoyam leaves, which is also medicinal and good for the soup as well. So next I'm going to take off the stalk from the cocoyam leaves, just the way you see it on the screens right now. I'm taking the bigger portion from it because it's not very necessary. You can as well just leave it like that if that is what you want to, but I just want to take it off so that it will be very easy for me to blend. All right. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'm going to wash this off camera. Remember as well to wash this very well, right? Moving forward, I'm going to transfer all my vegetables into a cooking pot, and I'll transfer it into my stove top and I'll cook until it's nice and very soft. Remember as well to go in with enough water to cook this. All right, but I forgot to go in with some okra, which will also add extra flavor and also some thickness to the soup as well. So I'll cover everything and allow it to cook. Whilst that is going on, let me introduce to you my proteins as well. So for protein of choice, I'm going to be using crabs, salted beef and salted pork. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using snails as well. Next, I'm also going to be using some smoked fish or ajune, which will add extra taste to the soup very well. You can as well use any protein of your choice. All right. Next on the list, I'm also going to be using dried antelope or chain, and some apatre as well to give the soup extra taste. And last but not the least, I'm also going to be using the salted fish, which is called Kobe in Ghana. So after everything, you can also use any protein, as I said. All right, this is all nation soup. So next, I'm going to transfer all my protein into my cooking pot. I'll add some seasoning to it, and for seasoning, I'm going to be using garlic, ginger and onion powder, meat seasoning powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. Remember, I have some salted beef and salted pork in it, so be mindful of the salt. I'll add in enough water to steam this meat very well. I'll cover and allow it to steam until it's nice and juicy. Whilst we're steaming our protein, let's go ahead and check on our vegetables, and it's doing all good. And at this point, everything is nice and very soft. So I'll set it aside and blend off camera. And we are also back to check on our protein, but this time around I forgot to go in with the water from the snail, so that's what you see me adding to it. I'll cover and allow it to steam until it's nice and juicy, just the way you see it on the screens right now. But it's not ready, so I'll just give it a gentle stir. Be gentle with the stirring because I have some fish in it which I don't want it to break at all. All right. I will cover and allow it to steam for extra 5 minutes, and afterwards, this is how it turned out. It's looking all juicy and just perfect. So I'll go in with my blended vegetables, and as you can see, just look at how green everything looks. Someone will ask me, did I blend the okra alongside with the vegetables? Yes, I did so, because it's going to help the thickness of the soup as well, and it's also going to help the greenness of the soup really comes very well. So now it's time for me to go in with my salted fish, which is the Kobe. I'll also add some okra to it since I'm going to be enjoying this soup with my fufu. Obviously there should be okra in this one, all right. I'll also go in with some precursor to give the soup extra flavor. I'll cover it and allow it to do its own thing until it's time for me to go in with my apature. Apature is very soft. When it goes in the soup early, you wouldn't even get one to enjoy. You just have to allow the soup to cook for about 80 to 90% before you go in with your apature, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. At this point it is almost done, so I'll just give it a gentle stir. Just be gentle with the stirring and check if the salt and everything is just perfect. If not, you can go in with extra salt or seasoning if that is what you want. All right, now I'll cover it halfway and allow it to simmer down until it's nice and ready. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so now the soup is all done, and as you can see, obviously I'll be enjoying this soup with fufu because I'm a fufu girl. So now let's serve ourselves and enjoy. Mind you, I'm not going to enjoy this meal all alone. This is just for demonstration purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.